Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can install CageFS onto your cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, cPanel is a Linux-based GUI and website slash hosting slash management system, which is used to make your site managing much easier. You can access the files of your site and edit them through cPanel, and you can also do a couple of different things. And it pretty much just serves to make your website hosting and website management much more efficient and effective. Now, CageFS is a cloudlinux component, which, as you can see here, isolates users into your own virtualized file system, pretty much just to test changes and pretty much isolate things so that you can make tests without actually making those changes public. Now, as you can see for this, it does require Cloud Linux to be installed, and you need at least 7 gigabytes of space for the skeleton directory. Now, to install this, of course, you do this through Cloud Linux, and there are instructions for both Cloud Linux 7 and 8. And for Cloud Linux 7, it's just yum install cagefs. Pretty easy. You just run the command as root using SSH. And for Cloud Linux 8, you just type in dnf install cagefs, and after it installs, the skeleton needs to be created and generated. You just need to go cagefs space 2 dashes in it, and that should initialize the components for the skeleton directory. And after that, you can enable it for all users by just typing in cagefs space double dash enable dash all. And once that's done, that is pretty much it. You can also find the CageFS documentation on the Cloud Linux documentation if you need any other help with operating the skeleton directory and CageFS itself. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.